In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Acuity scheduling website. Whether you're a business owner or someone who wants to streamline their booking process, Acuity scheduling can be an invaluable tool. Let's dive right in and get your scheduling system up and running. Start by heading over to Acuity scheduling's homepage, the central hub where all this magic happens. You might want to bookmark this page for future ease, as you'll likely be coming back here frequently. Accessing their site is straightforward. Just open your preferred web browser and type in the address for Acuity Scheduling. This will take you directly to their homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the click option labeled Acuity Scheduling. This button typically takes you to the main scheduling interface, which is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. If you're new to Acuity, you may want to explore a bit and familiarize yourself with the layout. It's helpful to take a moment and click through the different sections to see what each one offers. The next step is to find and click on Website. This is a crucial part of setting up your scheduler, as it forms the foundation of how your scheduling system will operate and appear. Think of this section as the control center for managing your scheduling appearance and all other major functionalities. As you prepare to create your website, remember that this step is about personalization. You want your portal to reflect your brand or services accurately. Navigating the website section, you'll find options to customize your site's look and feel. This might include tweaking the color scheme, adjusting fonts, and adding business-specific information. Take your time with this. The goal is to create a welcoming and functional environment for your clients. The interface should resonate with your brand's identity and engage your clientele effectively. Feel free to experiment with these settings, and remember, you can always make changes later if you're not completely satisfied with the initial setup. A good tip here is to ensure that your scheduling website remains clean and straightforward. This will make it easier for your clients to make bookings seamlessly. Finally, before wrapping up, preview your site to see how all your settings and customizations fit together. This will give you a clear view from the client's perspective and ensure everything is aligned with how you want your booking site to function visually and practically. If something looks off, use this opportunity to make necessary adjustments and tweaks. And there you have it. Your Acuity scheduling website is all set up and ready to go live. With this, your clients can now book appointments easily and conveniently, which should help to streamline your operations significantly. Enjoy the efficiency and convenience that Acuity scheduling brings to your business.